Hello guys, Hat from Hat and Cat here. I have Hat 124 thingy, and basically I'm playing the Mad Murderer again. Yay! And I'm at my house, and Cat isn't like I'm at my house, so I'm just gonna close the door. Now you can't hear my parents. Okay, the game is logging in. Slowly but surely, it's waiting for assist. I hope I have sound on. Do I have sound on, please? Ooh. Please tell me I have sound. Get shot, noob. But anyway, I haven't played this game a lot, so yeah. I got 33 credits for a login reward. But I don't want to wait another couple hours. Wait, I need to buy something from the shop. Hold on. Creator name, Easter egg, let me just say I'm gonna do part of this video, Mad Murderer, half of this, Hole in the Wall, and half of this of the Wipeout lobby. And if there's any other time, I may think of uploading it to our channel. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to I Have Hat, even though I forgot my password, like I said in the first video. If you didn't see the first video, let me just say, if you didn't watch the first video, watch it now, or you'll die! Anyway, but I mean it, I'm just playing Mad Murderer for the first 5 minutes. I know, 5 minutes is long, it's like, why is it not long? I can do whatever I want, because I'm a man. I am the sheriff, okay? My goal is just to hide in the corner and wait. I'm just gonna wait for someone to tatter. Right now I'm just gonna take a poop. Ah, that's better. I wonder. Ah, no, wait! Yeah. I don't know who's in the bathroom with me. Who's that? 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 Leave me alone, Lucas. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's Lucas. Just gonna wait. Gonna wait for him to come back around the corner. Because I'm too scared to move, and I never actually killed anyone with the sheriff. What? Why didn't that kill him? I did it! I finally killed someone! That's the first good note of this channel. I finally killed someone at the sheriff. My first kill. Oh, and don't forget to friend all these people. But anyway, when it turns to 5 minutes, I'm gonna pause recording and join a different game. So this is gonna be a special 3-in-1 video. Yay. So basically in a couple, in 40 seconds, I'm gonna just switch recordings. So, yeah, I'm Fred. You know what? I don't care if it's even. I just need to, I want this round to be, the full round, so I don't care if it's even in time. Brad says he's the murderer. Yeah, it's past 5 minutes, but still. Yeah, kill me! Kill me! Kill me, sir! No! I... Did you get the joke? Did you get the joke, Frank? Leave me alone! Ow, my neck. Frank, this is not darts you're playing. You got me in the leg! But anyway, to the next game, guys. Hello, guys. It's Hat from Hat and Cat. What am I saying? Anyway, welcome back to the special 3-in-1 vid. I'm now playing Honda Wall. Hooray! Yay! Why did nobody like me? But anyway, I'm just gonna be spectating these people until it's my turn. Oh, it's Israel Becklo. I I can't say names, but still, it's code. I don't understand this code. Of course he makes it the easiest wall. It's the easiest wall. Ain't I just cute? But anyway, so yeah, not much going on. Just shooting in my house. Like, you don't know where I live. But anyway, I'm just playing Roblox. At about 10 minutes, I'm gonna switch to the final game, the Wipeout lobby. And it's gonna be a fun game. But yeah, I mean it. My thing is not showing the score and everything, but still, I still hope you enjoy it because, like, if you don't, then my life is pointless. It's true. There's a pop-up. Get rid of it. Sorry, guys. Gotta get this pop-up. I can't get this pop-up. Fixed it. Let me just check something. Need to do this all the time. Hey guys, welcome back to the recording that crashed. I was talking to myself for a minute, but we're in a team wall, and I suck at these walls. No, no. Oh, what? I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it, guys! Even though you didn't do it. Whee! Ow, my stomach! I just fell on a guy's head. That must really hurt. I guess this is not a new server because there's actually a secret room up there when I was playing this morning. You know what? I'm not gonna actually play a Wipeout. I'm gonna play martial arts. I'm a man. We do it all the time. Like man. But anyway. So yeah, I don't know how I did that wall. I never done that wall before. Ninja Master is like top of the longest streak and close to the second place. I call hacks. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't call hacks. But anyway, it's my way to take off my prediction. When you get over here, I'm gonna smash a rhythm on my face. Cut that out. Cut that out. But anyway, literally, I thought it was gonna be next, and like I thought I was playing first. That's so dumb. I don't care if he's on my team. That's so stupid. I could just not help myself but laugh. But anyway, yeah, I got this mic for $20, so it's not a good mic. So yeah, yeah. Why did I just do that? I feel so stupid. I don't deserve to live. No, I'm kidding. I live a good life. But anyway, I'm doing a lot better than I did in the first videos, and like, yeah, like, I actually have control. I control the world. But anyway, in like 20 seconds, I'm gonna switch to the new game, even though it's not very exciting. Oh, it's my turn. So if the wall goes quickly, you know what? Yeah, I'll just go through this wall and then I'll end it. Because after I go through this wall, then I'll get a point for my team and be like, boop. No. What? No! Oh, did I do it? Okay, good. Anyway, see you in next. Hello, guys, and I'm back with the special 3-in-1 video. And the final game we're playing is Martial Arts Battle Arena Kai. I do not own any of this contest content, just to let you know, so I don't have to repeat it in the comments. I just heard the defeat bell. That's not gonna be me. Let me just go full screen. That's not me. I don't want to be a part of this if it's not gonna involve me. Boo, get off the stage. I thought this was a dancing contest. Get off the stage. True fact about runners, up there. I don't condone anything that guy says. So if you want to beat him in parkour or anything like that, just challenge him and beat him. I party in the background. Oh, the lag. It's like, for some reason that, like, dude. YouTubes, do not say that word. I'm on YouTubes. Don't say that poop. Don't say that poop. Don't say that poop. Kids. This kid. Anyone, Roblox admins, ban him. He is an inconceivable meanie man. And if I could, I would just edit that out. YouTube, forgive me, I can't. I don't know editing. But anyway, yeah. Anyone in Roblox, please ban him. He keeps on saying it and ruining the video, and, like, he shouldn't be, because, like, this is a video that... Okay, that's just rude. Dude, reporting. I'm gonna report over YouTube. Yeah. I can't spell, okay? He's stupid. And not a good role model. So kids, don't listen to this person. Don't listen to him. And remember, make fun of his ugly glasses. Just make fun of his ugly glasses. But anyway, it's our final battle. We only have 50 seconds. I may not finish it, but in case, subscribe. Whoop.